Chinese Horoscope. Dragon. Dragons are strong, imaginative, passionate and sentimental, full of vitality and enthusiasm. The dragon is a popular individual even with the reputation of being foolhardy and a big mouth. At times, you'd be an excellent artist, priest, or politician. Dragons are most compatible with dog. Some dragons, Joan of Arc. Snakes. Snakes are attractive, smart, intuitive, hot-tempered, wise, charming, and extravagant. Fight your inclination to laziness and stingy attitude towards money. Keep your sense of humor about life. The snake would be most content as a teacher, philosopher, writer, psychiatrist, and fortune teller. Snake is most compatible with rooster and ox, least compatible with pig. Some snakes, Elizabeth I, Dostoevsky, Picasso, Greta Garbo, Bob Dylan, Mao Zedong, Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Edgar A. Tigers. Tigers are enthusiastic, brave, magnetic, warm, sensitive, sincere, and impetuous. So if you are born under this sign, you are emotional and capable of great love. However, you have a tendency to get carried away and be stubborn about what you think is right, often seen as a hothead or rebel. You'd be excellent as a boss, explorer, race car driver, or matador. Tigers are most compatible with horse and dog. Least compatible with monkey. Some tigers, Ivan the Terrible, Beethoven, Elizabeth II, Marco Polo, Isadora Duncan, Marilyn Monroe, Leo DiCaprio, Poe. Oxen. Oxen are conservative, hard-working, patient, methodical, and good with their hands. Most oxen are born leaders and are known for their eloquence. They inspire confidence in all around them. But if you are an ox, guard against being stubborn and always demanding your own way. You will be successful as a surgeon, general, or hairdresser. Most compatible with snake or rooster. Least compatible with sheep. Some oxen, Napoleon, Hitler, Kutuzov, Charlie Chaplin, Walt Disney, Van Gogh. Rats. Rats are ambitious, yet honest, sociable, intelligent, and thrifty. If you are born under this sign, you are imaginative, charming, and truly generous to the person you love. However, you have a tendency to be quick-tempered and overly critical. You are also inclined to be too suspicious. You'd be happy in sales or as a writer, critic, or publicist. Rats are most compatible with dragons and monkeys, least compatible with horses. Some rats, Mozart, Shakespeare, Tolstoy, Peter the Great, George Washington, Jack London, David Duchovny. Rabbits. Rabbits are the luckiest of all signs. They are also talented, friendly, shy, quiet yet ambitious. They win friends easily and keep them. They tend to be a little too timid and sometimes panicky, but still they manage to make good careers as scientists, teachers, and bookkeepers. They are most compatible with goat and pig. Least compatible with rooster. Some rabbits, Confucius, Walter Scott, Albert Einstein, Frank Sinatra, Brad Pitt, Enrique Iglesias. Horses. Horses are attractive, popular, charming, impatient, cheerful and talented. Your capacity for hard work is amazing. You are your own person, very independent. Guard against being egotistic. Your sign suggests success as an adventurer, scientist, poet, or politician. You are most compatible with tiger and dog, least compatible with rat. Some horses: Neil Armstrong, Newton, Rembrandt, Chopin, Paul McCartney, Jimi Hendrix, John Travolta. Goats. Goats are affectionate, creative, timid, trusting, sensitive and tasteful. Except for the knack of always getting off on the wrong foot with people, the goat can be charming company. You are elegant and artistic, but the first to complain about things. Put aside your pessimism and worry and try to be less dependent on material comforts. You would be best as an actor, gardener, or beachcomber. Goat is most compatible with pig and rabbit, least compatible with ox. Some goats: Michelangelo, Pushkin, Chekhov, Mark Twain, Rudolph Valentino, Mick Jagger, Julia Roberts, Bruce Willis. Monkeys. Monkeys are quick, intelligent, humorous, witty, and inventive. You have good prospects in business. In fact, your sign promises success in any field you try. Because of your extraordinary nature and magnetic personality, you are always popular. You must guard, however, against being distrustful of other people. This sign is most compatible with dragon and rat, least compatible with tiger. Some monkeys: Julius Caesar, Leonardo da Vinci, Byron, Elizabeth Taylor, Celine Dion. Roosters. Roosters are proud, determined, selfish, enthusiastic, and eccentric. You are a dreamer, flashy dresser, and extravagant to an extreme. Born under this sign, you'd be happy as a restaurant owner, publicist, or world traveler. Rooster is most compatible with snake and ox, least compatible with rabbit. Some roosters: Socrates, Catherine the Great, J.F. Cooper, Kipling, Britney Spears. Dogs. Dogs are loyal, reliable, honest, generous, and intelligent. The dog will never let you down. Born under this sign, you are honest and faithful to those you love. However, you have a sharp tongue and a tendency to be a fault finder. You'd make an excellent businessman, activist, teacher, or secret agent. Dogs are most compatible with horse and tiger, least compatible with dragon. Some dogs: Winston Churchill, Bill Clinton, Benjamin Franklin, George Gershwin, O. Henry, Elvis Presley, Sophia Loren, Cher, Madonna. Pigs. Pigs are noble, hard-working, peaceful, and stubborn. You are a splendid companion, an intellectual with a very strong need to set difficult goals and carry them out. You are sincere, tolerant, and honest, but by expecting the same from others, you are incredibly naive. The pig would be best in medicine, law, and music. Most compatible with rabbit and sheep, least compatible with snake. Some pigs: Ernest Hemingway, Al Capone, Albert Schweitzer, John Rockefeller, Elton John, Alfred Hitchcock, Ricky Martin. The end. You've reached the end of the book. Read again. Made with Book Creator.